Hi friends, welcome to another video. On today's adventure, 88 minus 88, which equals 0, times 88 minus 88 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 88 times 88 equals 7,744. So we have 88 minus 7,744 minus 88, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 88 minus 7,744, which equals minus 7,656. So we have minus 7,656 minus 88, which equals minus 7,744. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.